Welcome to MK Tech. In this video, I will be showing you how you can make a simple 5 watts transformerless power supply using just a handful of components. So you will need 1 microfarad capacitor, non-polarized one. You need a bridge rectifier. You need 3 resistors, a 12 volts Zener diode, and a 35 volts electrolytic capacitor, and 2 terminal blocks. So the final build will look like this. AC goes here, a DC comes out of here, 12 volts regulated. You can modify it to your specific specifications. So the PCB will look like this. Here's the AC input. Here's the pass capacitor which performs the actual stepping down. Here is the breeding resistor. It discharges the capacitor when there is no power. Here's the output, 12 volts. Here's the output capacitor, the Zener diode regulator, the current limiting resistor, the bridge rectifier, and the current limiting resistor on the main side. So the schematics looks like this. Here's the AC input, the DC output. So this just simulates the 220 volts AC. So this is the capacitor. Basically what this does is capacitors allow alternating current to pass through them, and due to the reactance, they act like resistors, and so there will be a voltage drop across this capacitor. So the voltage on the side of the bridge rectifier is much less than the mains input, and it will be around 30 volts or so. So here it's converted to direct current. R3 limits the current fed to the Zener diode because it can burn it out. The output capacitor stabilizes the voltage at 12 volts. Here's the simulation. You can see at the input there is about 200 volts. On the output side you have about 20 volts. Here you can see on this side you have 12 volts. The same case at the output. So the power supply works fine. This power supply is basically for low current applications such as powering microcontrollers, in which case you need a 5 volts Zener diode, or it can also be used as a setup circuit for switch mode power supplies to power the switching IC. So please don't forget to like this video, comment below, share and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials and projects.